Hey guys, in today's video we will learn how to install PHP 8.3 on Windows 10 and 11. So first of all, you need to go on Google Chrome and you need to type this link over here. After that, we will see that we will have some options for Windows over here and you need to click this one, zip, because it's a 3 save. After you click it, we will go to downloads over here or over here. So I'll just check this one and you need to right click on mouse and you need to go here, extract here, or we can do extract files. After this appears, we can go with OK and we will wait a little. As we can see over here, we have a new folder. Here we have it. And we will copy the path over here. Just copy it. And we go to search bar. So in this search bar, we will click environment, variables. We open it and we will click this one, environment variables. As we can see over here, we will need to go to path. Here you have it, path. And we will go to new. So we click new and we just paste it. Okay. Need to be careful over here. Once it's done, we click OK, OK, and OK. Then we have it downloaded. If this video has helped you, please click on the subscribe and like button and we will see you in our next video. Thank you.